You think your car is safe? Well, buckle up. Literally. Because Victoris just dropped 6 airbags as standard, and trust me, your jaw's gonna hit the dashboard. Alright, let's get this airbag party started. I'm Vinayak Gupta, and today, I'm asking, did Victoris just set a new industry benchmark? Or is this just another safety flex for the hype? First off, 6 airbags, front side curtain everywhere except your coffee holder. I mean, can you imagine? Spill your latte and bam, airbag saves your cappuccino. But seriously, most cars out there still stuck with 2 or 4 airbags. Victoris just went full Oprah. You get an airbag and you get an airbag. So what's the catch? Is Victoris actually making us safer or just flexing for the gram? Let's break it down. Stats say more airbags, more protection in a crash. But here's the twist. Most crashes happen at lower speeds, where seatbelts matter more than airbags. But 6 airbags? That's like bubble wrapping your grandma before she goes rollerblading. And here's where Victoris is getting spicy. They're not just adding airbags for the rich folks. Nope. Even the base model gets the full 6-pack. That's like getting guac at Chipotle. For free? Now, you might be wondering, does this mean every other car brand's about to copy-paste this move? Drop your bets in the comments. Will 6 airbags be the new normal, or is Victoris just flexing for clout? And hey, if you've ever had an airbag go off in your face, hit like, because that's a story I want to hear. So, is Victoris setting a new industry benchmark, or just making headlines? My take? This is the kind of flex I want to see, safety that's actually standard, not optional for $2,000 extra. Before you bounce, subscribe if you want more car secrets, memes, and 0 boring reviews. And answer this, if you could add an airbag anywhere in your car, where would it be? Cup holder, glove box, let me know. This is Vinayak Gupta, and until next time, drive safe, stay meme-worthy, and don't spill your latte. Wait, did you spot the hidden meme in this video? Rewind and comment if you found it. See you in the next one.